Welcome crypto community. I'm John and this is the crypto channel of John's crypto channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install an Exodus wallet. Like I said before, we did the Atomic wallet before here, and today it's going to be Exodus. I'm just going to show you because I find it unnecessary that you have a few wallets instead of one. It's better to have a few that you know how to work and what to do with it. I just saw today that this one has a new feature been imprinted to it, and that he can also be used as a Web3 device, like MetaMask. One of my educations is already on MetaMask, so you can see how that works. I will explain what Web3 is in another movie, not this one, because we're still in the beginning phase, and I will be just installing this one now for the computer, and I will install the web wallet on the sideways too, because it's new for me too. I didn't see it, I just saw it just a second ago. So let's dive in and let's take a look how we install Exodus. Now on the top side we can see download, so let's press it and let's take a look. So we have Web3. This is for your browser, so you can put it onto Chrome or you can put it into Brave. I would say use Brave instead of Chrome. But MetaMask better works with Chrome than with Brave. That's why I still use Chrome too. Now the second one is a mobile app. You can use it on the mobile store. You can get it on the mobile store or on the app store. But for me, I will show you today now on the desktop how it is. I still have a Windows PC, so for me it's downloading Windows. If you have a Mac, Linux, you will have to download one of the others, of course. Now while it's downloading, we will have to be patient for a second, and then we just open it, but I think it will install straight away, like what the normal things always do. It's quite hot in here. Let's take off something. Okay. Now it's installing already, so this was quite quickly. They have been online like for 2015, so these are already 7 years in business, so that is nicely. Okay, so it's been installed. They said I have to click the shortcut on my desktop, so let's do that. You can see here, I put it on the other side, this is Exodus. If we click it, it will open. And you can see we are straight away in Welcome Exodus. We have everything already stand up. I think you can straight away go to the wallet. Like you see, we already have the wallet open. This is very easy to install. One thing you first have to do, of course, is go back to the portfolio. Make your first deposit. This is to deposit crypto, of course. But first of all, restore your backup. So click this page and make sure that you have your backup, that you have your 24 words. Restore from backup, sorry, that was not correctly. You have to go to settings, security, backup your wallet, enable the futures. Let me take a look where it stands, because the first that we need to do is find these words, because it's very important to get my words. You must remember your password. I cannot be recovered. Your passwords were protected you. Okay, here you can put in a password. So if you open up the app, that you will have to automatically fill it in. Let me take a look. Here you can see your secret phrase. So now if I press view phrase, you will have the words. Like you can see, we have 12 words here. If you scroll over a word, you will see that you will be able to see them. It's the same like in Atomic Wallet. You will have to download them on a piece of paper, of course. So you can print them. That's also okay for me if you have printing abilities on your computer. You can print it straight on. but I would suggest to write them down. Again, do it 3 times, people, so you keep it safe for yourself. Make sure that you have them always on hand. It's very important to keep them safe and to keep them on busy time frames so that you are always able to touch these phrases. Make sure that nobody finds them. Keep it safe, keep it well informed. So this is the only way that you will ever get back into your wallet if you ever lost them. So you will have to use these phrases. So if you write them down, you just press done. And then you will have to select the words that you have done. So I did not do this yet, so I have to go back and let me write them down. I will take a pen first, just a second. You will be able to see all of my phrases here. This is only for educational, so do never share this to anyone. I'm sharing this online, so this means that I will be not using this wallet. So my first word is fork. I will be writing them down. I have to, otherwise I will not know which one they are. Make sure you write it correctly, because no one, and I do mean no one, can help you if you do not know these words. They cannot hack that program. They cannot make sure that you get it back. The people that are responsible for making this app, they cannot get it back too. It's only you that are responsible for these words to make sure that you have them. That's why I always say write them down 3 times and keep them to yourself or for yourself. Do not give them to anybody, not even family. It's money, people, and you know, money and family is not always the best thing to make sure of. If you are certain that you can trust the person, then it's okay. Now, how do I do it? If you ever want to go away somewhere, or you never want to take these with you and you have to move or something, you can split it up in 4 pieces or 3 pieces and give it to 3 different pieces. So what I mean, if you have the first 4 words, give this to one person, give the next 4 words to a second person, and give the last 4 words to a third person. So that way they cannot know that they have the words from each other. And the second of all, if you give those words to that person, you can always ask them back. Make sure that you trust these persons so that you're sure that you'll always be able to get them back. Now I need to put on the 9th word. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. The second word I need to put in, you can see here, is to make sure that you wrote them down. Backup is completed. Now you can view them again, or you can reset the password. Always do this straight away after that you have installed this wallet. It's very important that you do that and keep it on a safe base. I'll show you how to do it, so just do it. So now if you lock them up and you will open it again, you will see that you have to type your password. And if you use restore, this is how you can use it on another device, and you make sure that you have the same wallet that you can use. And it's not easy typing and speaking together, so I just make sure that I do this first. No, okay. Okay. Oh, this is it. This is how you install your Exodus wallet. Very easy. You can put NFTs on this, you can compound your finance, you can get rewards out of it, you can share, sync devices. That means that you can sync your Trezor to it, so that's quite easy. That's nice also. Here you can set the currency to euros or anything else if you prefer euros. You can select the portfolio that you can put into it, advanced wallet mode, that you have a bit more to see into it. It looks a bit fancier. Exchange is really to exchange a cryptocurrency from one to the other, of course. Just a second, I'll opening the door. Okay, I'm back. So this is how you install. This is trading. It looks a bit similar like Atomic Wallet. It's quite easy. You put the coin in that you want and swap it to the other one. The minimum amount that you have, halfway, or the maximum. So this would be 100 euros of Algorand, and you would get 59 back. That means that you had a 6 euro transfer fee for into it. And this is how you swap one coin to another. Now, if you want to deposit your first crypto, you can just press here. Then you will go into a wallet. If you want to send or receive cryptocurrencies, you use receive. This is your receiving address of your Bitcoin. So you just copy this and paste it in the place where we will go into in the next movie. I will show you where you can buy just with a bank card or anything else, cryptocurrencies. Sending is the same, that you need an address. Make sure you only send to the same address as the cryptocurrency that you use. So that means Bitcoins can only be sent to Bitcoins. Do never send a Bitcoin to an Ethereum address or anything else, because otherwise you would have lost your funds, because it's not possible to send one blockchain to another yet. There is a way to do that, but that's for another lesson. You can swap one from one to another one via a chain, but not with Exodus itself, of course. This is how you exchange then one coin for another. And then make sure to do it. The APYs that you see behind some coins, that means if you put a Cardanos in here, that you will receive that much percentage on year based on Cardanos. So if you put 1,000 Cardanos in here, that means that you would have 1,409, I guess, 4.994%. Is it 40? Let me take a calculator. My brain is not working like it should be. If you have 1,000 coins plus 4%, that's 40. So that means that you would have 1,040 by the end of the year. 49, really, to be exactly. If you have Solanas and you have 100 Solanas, that means if you would do 6% extra, that means that you would have 160 Solanas by the end of the year. If you keep it a year in this wallet, of course. So this is how you install this wallet. I will be deleting this wallet again. Like I said, I've shown you the secret phases. So you never show this to anybody at all, because you would not be a smart idea to show this. Again, have fun, enjoy. If you want more information about these wallets, just let me know, and I'll make sure to show you how to use them further. The information is also on the websites from these guys. I just want to show you which wallet there exists and how user friendly they are. If you want to store cryptocurrency not on a hardware wallet but just on a software wallet, these are the two that I would recommend, because they are very user friendly, very easy to use. You can use them on mobile phones too. And now this one even has a Web3, and that's even better, because everything will be Web3 within the next 2 years for me personally, that I can see what will happen. Now enjoy the rest of your day, and we will all see you in the next one. Enjoy. Ciao.